Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We have found the coolest fidget toy for my son. We recently started online schooling, so my son is sitting for long periods of time in front of his computer. And we are so pleased to have this magnetic ring fidget toy from Jawhock. My son is full of energy, and it just seems like his mind works better when his hands are busy. He can sit in front of his computer and listen to the lesson while his hands are busy doing mindless activity. This set of 9 magnetic rings is not only beautiful to look at with bright and vibrant colors, but the magnets are strong and they spin very smoothly. My whole family has used this fidget toy, and honestly, we have not been gentle with it. We've dropped it several times, and none of them have broken or even chipped, despite all of the abuse that we've put them through. Even my dad was playing with them when he came over for a visit the other day. So overall, we are 100% impressed with this magnetic ring fidget toy set from Jawhock. They are fun, easy to use, durable, and they keep my wiggly son occupied during class time. What more could you ask for? And that's my point of view.